Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about atomic number and mass number from the atomic structure chapter. As we know, the main three subatomic particles, proton and electron and neutron, are present in an atom. In that atom, electrons are revolving around the nucleus in a circular path according to Bohr's atomic model, and protons and neutrons are present inside the nucleus. That protons and neutrons combinedly or collectively known as nucleons. So these protons containing positive charge, electrons containing negative charge, neutrons neutral, it does not containing any charge. So now we will see atomic number. Atomic number is represented with capital Z. Atomic number is represented with capital Z. What is the atomic number is number of protons in the nucleus of an atom. Number of protons in the nucleus of an atom, or number of electrons in a neutral atom. Number of electrons in a neutral atom. So the number of protons or the number of electrons present in an atom is called atomic number. This protons number and electrons number both are equal in a neutral atom. For example, hydrogen containing one electron and one proton. Atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Like that, helium atomic number 2. Helium containing 2 electrons and 2 protons. Lithium atomic number 3. Lithium containing 3 electrons, 3 protons. Like that, we will say atomic number. Here, the number of positive charges and number of negative charges are equal. Then only atom will get neutrality, or atom is neutral. Next, we will see mass number. Mass number is designated with, or mass number is represented with capital A. What is mass number is sum of number of protons and number of neutrons. Sum of number of protons and neutrons is called mass number. And in other words, we can say nucleons. Already we discussed, right? Protons plus neutrons is commonly called as nucleons. So the nucleons number is also called mass number or atomic mass number. Now we can see the representation of an element. If we take X as an element, always we can write mass number at a superscript left side on the element, left side superscript, and atomic number always we can write left side subscript on the element. So this is the representation of element according to NCERT textbook. Next, number of neutrons. To find out the number of neutrons, we have a formula, that is A minus Z, mass number minus atomic number. So if we want to find out the number of neutrons, for example, sodium is there, sodium atomic number 11, mass number 23. So question is, find out the number of electrons and number of protons and number of neutrons present in this element. Now number of electrons is nothing but atomic number, right? So atomic number is 11, so electrons number is 11. Number of protons also atomic number, right? So number of protons is 11. Number of neutrons, we know the formula A minus Z. So this is the A and this is Z value. So that is 23 minus 11 is equal to 12. So 12 neutrons it is containing. Sodium containing 12 neutrons. For example, lithium containing how many electrons, how many protons, how many neutrons. So lithium atomic number 3, mass number 7. So here electrons is 3, protons also 3, neutrons number A minus Z, that is equal to 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. 4 neutrons are present in the lithium. For example, we can write lithium plus. Lithium plus containing how many electrons, how many protons, how many neutrons. Now we can see. Lithium plus, here also same, atomic number 7, mass number, atomic number 3, mass number 7. Now we can see electrons number 3. No, we didn't write here electrons number 3 because it is a cation. Lithium containing positive charge. Lithium is not a neutral here. So positive means it lost one electron. So lithium plus ion, cation, containing electrons 2 because one positive is there. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Protons as it is 3 because it will never lose protons and it will never take. Next neutrons number A minus Z. So this is the A and this is Z. So 7 minus 3 is equal to 4 neutrons. So in this way we can find out in cations and anions. For example, we can take one anion, chlorine minus. Here atomic number is 17, mass number 35.5. So here electrons number 17. No, electrons number not 17 because here chlorine is not a neutral. Chlorine containing one negative charge. That means it takes one electron. That's why electrons number will become 18. Then protons as it is 17 only. Neutrons 35.5. So we can take a round figure, 35 minus 17. That is the neutrons number. So like that we can find out the electrons, protons, neutrons. Now see, based on this topic we can see two questions. Question number 1. Calculate the number of protons, neutrons and electrons in bromine 3580. Here atomic number 35, that is Z, 80 mass number, that is A. So now what they are asking, protons number and neutrons number and electrons number they are asking. So protons number is nothing but atomic number, right? So 35 is the protons and electrons number 35 only. Neutrons number we know the formula, that is A minus Z. So 80 is the A, that is mass number. So 80 minus 35 is equal to 45. So 45 neutrons are present in bromine. One more question. The number of electrons, protons and neutrons in a species are equal to 18, 16 and 16 respectively. Assign the proper symbol to the species. Now we can write what they given. First number of electrons. Electrons they given 18. Electrons number 18. Protons number 16 and neutrons number they given 16. So now according to this protons number is atomic number, right? So 16 atomic number element is sulfur. But this is not a correct answer because electrons number 18 they given, protons number 16, both are not equal. So not equal means this sulfur is not neutral. So what we will do, we can see electrons number is more than protons or less than protons. Electrons number is less than protons, it will become cation. Electrons number more than protons, it will become anion. So it is more than, so it is definitely anion. So how much charge it is containing, we can see electrons number 18, minus proton 16 is equal to 2. So here 2 is the difference, so we can write 2 minus. 2 minus means it takes 2 electrons. So it takes 2 electrons means it will become 18 electrons. 16 plus 2, 18 electrons. So S2 minus, this is sulfur anion. Like this we can find out the symbol also.